Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNOA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one. Just an absolutely crazy mover, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down there at the volume and well above average volume. Problem is, this thing is looking very rough going into Monday. But with these pharmas, I mean, things can turn around in a hurry, but you also have to acknowledge the fact that there is just a whole lot of downwards pressure. And I get it, downwards pressure, those are just words, but that's why I love charts, because they allow you to take words and help visualize them. So when I say downwards pressure, what I mean by that is check out how steep that trend line is. I mean, that trend line is almost going just straight down, but that really just illustrates just how aggressive that selling pressure got. So if there is any sort of chance, and not necessarily going back up to $18 or $20, but of any sort of bounce back to the upside, the first kind of leading indicator is, can the price even get back up above this trend line? Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that if the price gets above the trend line, the price is for sure going up to, $15, $16. I'm just saying I would be very hesitant to think about really anything bullish until the price can at least prove itself by getting up above that, the red line right there. But as of right now, it is all bears. And yeah, I get it. Technically speaking, it was a green day because just yesterday on Thursday, the price was down here. But from a practical point of view, a whole lot of people are now underwater. What do I mean by that? Well, when you look at the big volume bars right here, the lowest it got during that whole session was up around this area. But now you look at where it's here, meaning all the people that were buying right around here, they are now underwater. Now, of course, some of them sold earlier, but there's, like I said, a lot of people trapped in this one right now. And if it pulls back that much further, it could create that much more downside pressure. The next definitely very important level of support moving forward is going to be that purple line there, which on my chart just denotes the very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average, which is currently valued right around $7.50. But I mean, if the price goes down to $7.50 and then falls below there, at that point, that's when you can start to throw out this thing was just a total pump and dump point of view. But as of right now, I'm not going to call it a pump and dump because the price does still have the opportunity to overall chip away and build a higher base. So let's see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.